Holly branches in the light, mistletoe on winter nights. Little echoes from before softly knock upon the door. Warm reminders fill the air, love and laughter everywhere. Moments held from long ago return again in gentle glow. Let the memories shine tonight, fill the heart with soft delight. Simple signs from days gone by lift the spirit, warm the sky. Footsteps on a wooden floor, voices drifting evermore. Hands that held us, hearts that stayed in the joy that seasons made. And hold those moments close and kind, let their magic ease the mind. Carry them